my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So today, I need you to go put on your Hype Beast pants, which are probably more expensive than my entire life if you own any Hype Beast pants. I don't even know. I, like literally, maybe we should Urban Dictionary what a Hype Beast is. Is this even Hype Beast? Anyways, today I'm gonna be hydro dipping with spray paint my Air Force Ones. And so I got a brand new pair. These are actually a size 5 in boys. They're a little bit big, but Air Force Ones are apparently a hot commodity right now. Mine are pretty trash, but I felt like it'd be easier to just get some new ones than try and clean up my old ones. But essentially what we're gonna be doing is taping off all of the areas that we don't want colored, making a cool pattern with spray paint in a bucket of water and being like, bam! Hydro dip. So essentially how this came up is that I fell down a long rabbit hole of hydro dipping different sneakers. I'm not entirely sure if it's because I've been buying a lot of sneakers and my FBI agent or my CIA agent behind my camera was like, oh yeah, the sneaker content, give the girl more sneaker content. That's how we ended up here. So I'm not really sure if this is a DIY master or not because this is obviously not something I've ever done before, but I've watched a whole ton of these videos down my rabbit hole and we're gonna give it a try. Okay, so I'm gonna take a before shot when they're all clean and white, but like, is there a certain hypebeast way to do this? Like, are they supposed to like sit on each other or something? Is this weird? Does that look weird? Does it look hypebeasty?
That's good.
Does it look like I could wait in line at Supreme for 4 hours? What does it look like from the other side?
Like a hype beast. Did it?
Oh, that looks good! Hype beast AF. My Air Force One assaulted me. I randomly went to like this Nike workshop where they would help you make custom Air Forces. Actually, I did like a red and black thing. So randomly, I've done this part before, taping off all the spots that you don't want covered. So hopefully that will help me excel in my hydro dipping thing. Also, as soon as I started watching these hydro dipping videos, I saw that Jenna Marbles has hydro dipped Crocs, which I love that for her. Yo, I'm nervous. Like, I'm actually nervous. Also, I just watched a bunch more videos just to like make sure I got it. We go straight down, then we do a little wiggle, and then you pull right up. And then I think you take the tape off right away. I feel like every professional hydro dipper is like, just, no, sweetie, no. Also, I realized that because I have such small feet, my like dipping canvas is not very large. So hopefully they turn out cute. Fingers crossed. Oh my god. Ah! Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so there's a big goo right here. We may have to dip again. That looks sick. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, we'll go one more time. I think I need to work faster. I think that was the issue. Go. Whoa, oh my god. Okay, so I also hydro dipped my arm pretty bad, but it's fine. It's for the art. So I've definitely got a few chonky bits, and also I'm just gonna go with my hands because I feel like at this point, Moose, yo, tippy tappies. Thank you. We don't have a manicure going on anyway, but things feel a little chunky, but also the colors are sick. I think I needed to work faster in terms of it not making such like a thick layer so fast, because then it got kind of goopy almost. But let's take all this off and see what she looks like. Shoe number 2. Also, this is my really professional hydro dipping meat stick. Ew, I kind of hate when it makes the film. Ew, it's such a glob. Degrees, and I don't know if that's also affecting the rate at which my I don't know if that's affecting the rate at which my spray paint goops in the most scientific terms. Not mad at them. Like, I think they're kind of cool. It's like, it's truly something that I will never be able to recreate ever again. I would like love to try this again in like a different environment and also watch a few more videos. Actually, you know what? I don't even know how many more videos I could possibly watch. I have literally watched all of them, but like, I'm curious as to why mine got a little goopy or a little filmy. Like maybe I'm just doing too much paint. I don't know. But anyways, I'm stoked for them to dry. We'll give them a coat of sealant and then lace them up. Okay, so they're fully dry and all the tape's gone. I did a clear protective coat. Also, I have psycho makeup from another video I just filmed and I'm totally aware. But I figured, you know, colorful shoes, colorful makeup, it's like, just go with it. Just super go with it. Okay, so we're gonna lace the last one up, and oh my gosh, I like wanna do this again because I feel like I have more practical experience now of hydro dipping and I wanna try another pair, but also I'm scared because I don't want to potentially mess up a pair of shoes, but like, this is cool. This is super cool. I think I tossed the box.
It's all good.
That's not very hype beast of me. You know what? I think I like them. I think they're sick. I think they're cool, and I could never, like truly never make a pair that look exactly like these, which is really cool. And also I'm like about to go watch 500 more hydro dipping videos. My recommended right now is currently just all hydro dipping, so there's that. Anyways, if you enjoyed this DIY, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if there's any other like shoe sneakerhead things you want me to try out, because I'm in. I'm down. This was so crazy. I wish these were like a tiny bit smaller because they are a little bit big, but either way, I'm stoked at how they turned out. I think it's like not bad for my first hydro dip. I'm like no Marco or anything, but not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You can shop all laurDIY merch at shop.laurDIY.com, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for weekly vlog on Sunday, another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you.
pretty little kingdom, Machiavelli in the